So recently, first Constitutional Amendment Act completed 75 years. So in this context, let's quickly understand what the first Constitutional Amendment Act is and what changes has it brought. Now listen carefully. When did our Constitution come into force? Tell me. It came into force on 26th January 1950. And what about our first general elections? They were held in between 1951 to 52. And what about our first Constitutional Amendment Act? That is in 1951. So here you need to observe one thing. Even before the first parliament came into existence, the constitution was amended. Then who amended it? That is provisional parliament. That time constituent assembly. Within just 15 months of constitution came into force. So naturally here raises a question, why was such urgency? The answer lies in these judicial judgments. Now what is Champakan Dorairajan case? State of Madras versus Champakan Dorairajan. In this case, the Madras government introduced reservations in educational institutions for different communities. Then it was challenged. Then the Supreme Court struck down this policy as it violated Article 15 Clause 1 and Article 29 Clause 2. Then why first Constitutional Amendment Act taken place? Later, the government worried if this continues, all reservation policies might fall. Then first Constitutional Amendment Act enacted. Through this act, 15 clause 4 article added. What is 15 clause 4? The state can make special provisions for socially and educationally backward classes, especially SC and ST. And look at the second case, Romesh Thapar case. In this case, a magazine published by Romesh Thapar was banned by the Madras government, and the government said this magazine could create unrest. And Romesh was challenged this ban in the Supreme Court. Then the Supreme Court said Article 19 Clause 2. Article 19 Clause 2 allowed restrictions only for social security, decency, contempt of court and defamation. It did not add public order. Again the question is why Amendment Act? Later government felt it needed more power to maintain peace. So it widened Article 19 Clause 2, added 3 new grounds. Public order, friendly relations with foreign states, incitement to an offense. And lastly, Kameshwar Singh case. After independence, many state government wanted to abolish what? Jamindari system. So the Bihar government also passed a law to abolish it. But Kameshwar challenged this law. And later the Patna High Court struck down some important parts of it. But later the government of India feared that if this continues, the Jamindari abolition would be delayed. So through this Amendment Act, Article 31A, 31B and 9th schedule created. That's all about the first Constitutional Amendment Act. If you like my video, click like button and follow for more.